Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and this is Lesson 10 of the Locksmith training program, Impressioning. This lesson is going to walk you step by step and teach you the basics and the fundamentals of lock impressioning. So if you've ever wondered what the proper techniques are or just how to do it in general, this lesson will walk you through on how to do that. You can purchase this lesson individually in this booklet. You can, or it comes included in the big Locksmith training program book, which I'll have a link below to. And then there's also a hands-on learning kit that you can also get, that while you're learning the skills in this book, you can practice exactly what you're being taught. And if you're a hands-on learner, that will be tremendously helpful because impressioning in particular, learning and taking time to identify what the marks look like and how to do proper little files on the key is extremely important, and it's really good just to practice as you're going. Let me show you the kit that it comes with. I opened one up here, and it has a round file, a pippin file. It has a standard impressioning tool. It has a cam lock and some key blanks and some handles for the file. So you'll have everything you need to get you going and get you comfortable with impressioning. Now let me open this up and show you what the contents entail here. So it's going to go over preparing for impressioning, impressioning the key blank, and then tips for experienced locksmith impressioners. And there's also an extra little thing in here on master padlocks. Those can be tricky. Now, with each little lesson inside of here, you're going to be able to organize your main ideas and then check your knowledge. Now, once you're done with this lesson and you feel confident, you can go to the SOPL's website. We'll give you instructions where you can take a free online quiz that if you pass with a 70% or better score, you'll be emailed a certificate of achievement. Now, let me just open it up to a few pages and just show you what exactly you'll be covering here. So it's going to kind of go over the basic theory of impressioning, which can be really helpful. It's going to go over the type of files that are out there and the benefits. It's going to go over some of the different tools. It's going to go over determining the type of lock, right? Like understanding how to identify if it's a single or double-sided key, and if there's wafers on one or both sides. That all plays into when you're impressioning. It's going to go over a little bit more of the theory of the depths and all the different parts of the key. And then it's going to start going into shaving the top of the key blank so you can get the marks. The next section here is going to go over actually impressioning the key blank, kind of step by step through there. The last section is going to be that tips for experienced locksmiths. And then you'll be able to check your knowledge and organize your ideas. And at the end, you can go to and take the test. So this is the lesson 10 on how to impression, Locksmith training program. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.